Okay guys, so this is the area behind my couch. I pulled out all the cosmos that were suffering and I'm going to turn it into, can you guys tell what this is? It's going to be a mint garden. This is pineapple mint. It's got these really nice variations and it smells like pineapple. This is orange mint and it's looking a little sad because it needs to go in the planter. And then this one is supposed to be chocolate mint flavor. And one more. This one is strawberry mint. I'm trying to figure out if I can fit all four or if they're just gonna take over the bed. We'll see. So we're gonna start off with our pineapple mint. I love the variations in this. It smells delicious. So next is this sad looking orange mint, but it will perk up. I think it's too big for this container. Next up, this is our chocolate mint. Smells delicious. This is my strawberry mint and I got this one before the rest of them. That's why I have it in this pot, but we're gonna move it down in here. Okay, there it is. So it's getting a little dark and I'll check back in tomorrow morning. But the other thing I wanted to do was I wanted to spread some mulch. I have extra mulch and I want to conserve the moisture because I noticed that this bed dries out extremely quickly. So we'll do that tomorrow and hopefully they should be perked up. I gave them a really good water. Okay, so we're here in my backyard and my dad's going to be helping me. I have some Supertunias that we're going to be planting in this area, but I wanted to mix a little bit of compost into the dirt because I haven't had great success in this area. So we're going to remove the pine needles back and we're going to mix in some compost all in here, kind of break down the remaining roots of that tree so we can have a nice bed for the flowers. So we've added the irrigation line. So hopefully we won't have to be hand watering these. And now we're gonna add some pine needles. Make it look nice and neat. Alright guys, we're all done here. I'll show you a little close-up. They look very small in between all the pine needles, but I know that these are going to take off because they're Supertunias, and Supertunias, it says they can get 2 by 2, but in my experience they can even get bigger than that. So here they are. This one here is the Supertunia Snowdrift. So that's that one. And then over here, these little buds kind of got with the watering and they're not as perky, but this is the Supertunia Honey. I haven't grown these colors before, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to them growing. I think I'll be probably able to show you guys another little clip. Here are my dogs, but I have the Annabelle hydrangeas all along the back there, so I kind of wanted the little pops of white to continue, especially because this is shade. The pops of white really brighten it up, and then I threw the honey Supertunias in there for a little bit of color. And then this is directly across the bed. That's my bedroom window where I stare at my garden every morning, so I'll have a nice view of them. So I have attempted to grow grass here probably 3 different occasions and have not been successful, but every year I learn a little bit more. So I'm going to try this fall once again. We will see how it goes, but of course my dream is to have a nice lush green grass next to my beds. So here is the deck and my mint. So I ended up not putting the mulch, but I think it'll be fine. It's been holding its moisture pretty well, better than I had thought. And I'm so excited for these just to fill in. My plan is that as they grow, I want to be able to divide them and take chunks out, and I thought that they would be like really nice little gifts for people. Put it in a cute little terracotta pot and, you know, give them some pineapple mint, some orange mint, some chocolate chip mint. So that is my plan, and as the summer continues, I will show how quickly it grows and just what it's looking like. Over in this area, it's been officially 1 week to the day, and this is how everyone is doing. They're looking pretty good. These have perked up a lot, specifically this plant. This one's doing okay. This one, you can see that it's forming buds, so I'm not too worried. I tend to see that they need a little bit to transition usually. This one's doing good. This one has some more buds coming. And then the white one. And these I had from last year. I actually don't remember what they're called, but we moved them over this way. but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And also, as the summer progresses, I'll show you guys. Maybe I can reference this clip to show you guys what it was like. This is the first week of June, or almost second week of June. Well, just giving you guys a little show. We'll go this way. And then I can compare it, how it progresses each month. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This was a special one because I got to share it with my dad. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Bye-bye.